Welcome to the video tutorial on how to prepare Tippan map using Tippan module of ESurvey Civil Tools. In this tutorial, the commands to prepare Tippan map are explained. CTL command to create layer for Tippan application. In Tippan software, there is a specific way you have to name the layer to help the program to identify the entities. For example, you have to put all the working lines of first Tippan map in layer TP_01. To create layers for Tippan application, go to ESurvey Civil Tools and in Tippan menu, click Create Layers for Tippan Application CTL. Type CTL at the command prompt. 10 layers will be created for Tippan Preparation. Software will create layers TP_01 to TP_010 layer. DPER command to draw a perpendicular line with reference to baseline. Tippan map is typically made of a baseline and perpendiculars are drawn to baseline. DPER command draws perpendicular lines to baseline. Go to ESurvey Civil Tools and in Tippan menu, select Draw Perpendicular to Baseline DPER. Select the baseline and pick a point for drawing perpendicular, that is, pick a point from where line should start. Repeat the process. BPL command to break baseline. Tippan program expects you to draw a draft baseline and perpendicular lines. Once that is done, to make the map final, you can prepare drawing to scale with further commands. The first baseline has to be converted into pline with multiple vertices. That can be done using BPL command after drawing the required perpendicular lines. Select the baseline and run BPL command in command prompt to break the baseline. MED command to measure distance between given points. Run the command MED in the command prompt. Select the first point, select the second point. The distance between the selected points is marked in chain and ANA metric units. Thank you for watching this video. In the next video, you will learn how to prepare Tippan map from ladder data in meters.